In this video, I will show you how to send money from ING to PayPal. So to do this, you cannot use the PayPal app. Instead, what you want to go do is just go to paypal.com and sign into your account. After doing that, scroll down a little bit, and then here where it says PayPal balance, you can see the three dots in the top right of that section, and that's what you want to click on. Now once you do that, what it will say is instantly top up money via iDEAL. That's what you want to click on, so the third option. Then it will take you right here. From here, just going to click on login with PayPal, and then just continue. And then after you log in, what you can then do is just pick ING Bank, since that is supported on iDEAL. And from there it's really easy. You can just pick how much you want to deposit and then actually go ahead and deposit it. So now you know how to send money from ING Bank to PayPal. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.